The deep ocean is warming, and no one is talking about it. In this documentary, we dive beneath the surface to expose a hidden climate crisis: deep ocean marine heat waves. These underwater heat storms are silently altering ecosystems, threatening marine life, destabilizing fisheries, and undermining the ocean's ability to regulate Earth's climate. What you'll learn: what deep ocean heat waves are and where they come from, why 80% of them are not linked to surface temperature, how they threaten coral reefs, fish populations, and the global food chain where most satellites and sensors can't even detect them, what we can do to protect our oceans and future. This is not just about ocean science, it's about survival. Whether you live by the coast or in a landlocked city, the ocean affects your life more than you know. Don't forget to take a moment to like, share, and subscribe for updates on global conflicts, geopolitics, and world affairs. Right now, something is happening beneath the surface of our planet's oceans. Something we can't see, and most of us have never even heard of. It's called a deep ocean marine heat wave, and it's quietly changing the planet in ways that could affect every one of us. Unlike surface heat waves, which you can see from space, deep ocean heat waves form hundreds of meters down, sometimes 1,000. They are massive zones of unusually warm water that spread silently through the ocean's middle layers. These heat waves can last weeks, months, even years, and satellite technology can't detect them. That's part of what makes them so dangerous. Over 90% of excess heat from global warming is absorbed by the ocean. But now, that heat is sinking, trapped by shifting currents, wind anomalies, and greenhouse gases. And what's shocking? Over 80% of these deep-sea heat waves are not connected to surface events at all. They form independently, like underwater heat storms. Marine life thrives in stable temperatures. When the deep sea heats up unexpectedly, it throws everything into chaos. Fish abandon their breeding grounds. Coral reefs, even deep ones, bleach and die. And plankton, the tiny organisms that form the base of the food web, collapse. When that happens, it doesn't just stay in the ocean. It affects what we eat, how we breathe, and how our climate behaves. The ocean is Earth's biggest climate stabilizer. If it overheats at depth, that stability breaks down. You don't hear about this in the news. Why? Because it's invisible. We can't see it with satellites. Most fishing boats can't measure it. And yet, the damage is already happening, in places you'll never visit but rely on every day. The good news: we're not powerless. Here is what the world needs to do, urgently: install deep-sea thermal monitoring systems around the world's most vulnerable currents. Protect more of the ocean, especially mid-depth reefs that are key to biodiversity. Cut greenhouse gas emissions, fast. Every fraction of a degree makes a difference. Stop deep-sea mining and trawling that destabilizes already fragile systems. This story is not just about the ocean. It's about us, what we choose to protect, what we choose to ignore, and how we choose to live. The ocean is still doing its part. The question is, will we do ours? Share this video. Talk about deep ocean heat waves. And subscribe to stay informed about Earth's hidden changes.